Today is the last day of August, August 31. I'm actually been planning to make a vlog for my personal body transformation. So basically, well, I noticed most of the vlogs, how you became fit after 2 weeks, na siya kumbaga, nandun na yung output, then you go back o play back ka ng how you started on becoming fit. Okay, so this vlog is not like that. So I decided to make a vlog to document my commitment for a body transformation. So my coach for this will be me. So sabi nga nila, no one will push you unless you push yourself. So dadating talaga sa life mo yung you have to hit rock bottom. So yung pinaka-desperate moment mo. So this vlog, from the word desperate, I'll call this Dexperada. I'm not Desperada. It's just, my name is Dex. So, I've reached my desperate level, but I don't see myself na Desperada. It's just that, I want a change, and it seems like, for almost, 14 years, ng life ko, nag-freeze and focused on just my work. I forgot about how to be physically fit. So now I want to make that change, and I want to focus on my personal body transformation. So my first client is, of course, myself. So let's see. So we will try yung mga different suggested methods on how to lose weight. So basically, my weight now is nasa 208 pounds ako. 208 or nasa 94.8 kilograms. I'm very heavy. So let's see, just to prove that I am right now on 94.5. I have my weight here. .8 pala. Okay, so this will be my first day of vlogging. Wala talaga akong kaalam-alam paano mag-vlog, but I want to make this vlog para to have a commitment. So, especially dun sa mga friends ko na manonood ng vlog, and then sasabihin na, nagpa-vlog ka pa tapos di mo pala ginagawa. So, right now, I just want to have every 2 weeks mag-weigh in, and every week I will make a vlog on what I've been doing to achieve my my goal. So my goal would be, I want to be to lose ang goal ko for this month is to lose 10 hindi naman 10 pounds. Basically, para kasing far-fetched. I want to lose 10 kilos for my first 2 months. So, 5 kilos for each month. So, ang target ko kasi by January 15, so, is for me to reach 70 kilos. So, yun. Let's see, and join me, run with me in this vlog. So let's check out kung anong best diet that could help me lose this big tummy. Hindi si Tommy, si Tommy. Ayan. So yun. So this is my first vlog. It's simple and just you know, commitment vlog. Again, my name is Dex and welcome to my channel, Dex Perada. Okay, guys, thanks. Subscribe, click, and also uh, give us your comment on what are the best tips to lose weight fast. Thanks. Bye, guys.